Breakout strategies. Setting a support line, then a resistance line, and waiting for that one moment to happen, when the price suddenly breaks through. And when it breaks through, it really breaks through. But how do you trade this strategy successfully? Is there even a strategy? Are there any secrets? Well, yes, there's a couple. And lucky for you, I'm about to share them in this video. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight to it. Has this ever happened to you? You set your support line, you set your resistance line, and wait for a breakout to happen. Once you see that the price suddenly breaks through your resistance, you enter a trade extremely excited because you're prepared for a huge jump in price. You get your popcorn, sit down, stare at your monitor, but then suddenly the price reverses and dips. You stare at your screen confused on what just happened, and your portfolio just tanked. Well, I'm gonna teach you a secret so this never happens to you again. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is a breakout? Well, a breakout is when you have a support and resistance where there are multiple key rejections for both. The actual breakout happens when the price bursts through one of those key levels. And notice what happens. When the price does break through, it starts soaring, making this point right here a great entry point. But the question is, how do we find setups like this, where the market could potentially have a breakout? The answer is breakout patterns. I'm sure you've all seen these before, but there are multiple key breakout patterns you should have in the back of your head when trading. There's the flag, wedge, pennant, triangle, and rectangle. Now, the problem I see a lot of people doing is they are looking for the exact price action that is in the pattern image. The price will rarely mimic the exact pattern, if ever. So you're not exactly looking for the exact price action that happens in the image, you're looking for the key support and resistance levels that make that pattern. Now, to be honest, it doesn't matter which pattern you